Guys, look at all of these packages. I could barely see you over them. We have been getting so many more slimes from you guys that you want us to fix, and I cannot possibly fix them all in one video. So I'm gonna pick 4 of these, and we're gonna fix them right now. Okay, I have my 4 packages here ready and picked out, and all of my supplies. I think it's time to get started. Here is our first package. I think that they were trying to make a replica of a Peachybbies box. I love it when you guys decorate the outsides of your boxes. It's the best. A letter. Hi, Erin, Anna, or Christian. I love your videos. One of my favorite things about Erin is her videos that are so fun, and it is like talking to a friend. That is so sweet, and that's my goal. Thank you so much for your note, Emmeline. Now it's time to inspect what's inside. We have our first slime. It looks like a microfloam mixed with a normal floam. Here's our second slime. That looks like a science experiment. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 gloves for this one. Okay, time to open them up. This one has a great smell, and it's got a little tiny duck in there. So here's the slime. It is very hard. I don't think up until this point I've had any slimes that I couldn't fix, but I'm getting nervous about this one, I'll be honest. Let's see if we can play with it. We can kind of play with it. That's actually a lot better than I had expected. I can definitely see the vision here. I think it's like bubble bath slime because it's blue, it's foam, and it's got these rubber duckies on it. Let me check out this slime before I get ahead of myself. It doesn't smell bad. I think it's time to extract the actual slime. Ooh, kind of looks like a brain, and when you squish it, stuff comes out. Why is it so wet? Maybe it's activator, but if it was activator, this slime would be super hard. And this is surprisingly soft. Give it the stretch test. It's actually not, oh, I just got the liquid all over me. Emmeline, if you're watching this is no judgment on you. You sent in this slime for me to fix, and this is my reaction to it. I still appreciate so much that you sent in this slime, even if I might be a little bit scared of it. This one, bubble bath, very clearly. This one, bubble gum. What if I do double bubble, half bubble gum, half bubble bath slime mix? That's a $1 million idea right there. It is time to bring out the big guns, the vegetable glycerin. This should soften up the slime a little bit. You gotta be careful. A little bit goes a long way. And here we have our bubblegum part of our slime. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the little duckies from their pond and put the bubblegum part on the bottom half of this. Now it is time for the hard part. It needs more thick and glossy. I'm gonna start off with a test this time. I'm gonna take a little tiny bit of this and a chunk of my thick and glossy, squish it together and see what it does. I think this is working. I feel like that's pretty good. Now it's time to fix the rest of it. Bigger chunk of this beautiful clear slime. Gonna mix it. And look at that, it came out way better than I expected. Now it is time to add the bubble bath part of this slime to the bubble gum part of this slime. And thankfully, these 2 colors look very cute together already. No need to change the color, which is new for me. I don't know if I've ever done that. That just goes to show what a good slime maker Emmeline is, because she made slimes with beautiful colors. So add it in there. Now for the duckies to go back where they belong. Boop. Boop. And I think this deserves some more charms, so I will be right back. I picked out an adorable mixture of bubble gum and bubble bath themed charms. I love the bubbles. And here we have it. This is Emmeline's completed slime. I think it's adorable. Honestly, comment down below if you think we should sell bubble gum bubble bath in the shop, because I think that's a really cute idea. Thank you so much, Emmeline, for sending this in, and I hope that you love how this looks as much as I do, because this is one of my favorites. Let's go fix the next one. Here is our next package. Dear Peachybbies, my name is Annabella. I recently got this slime at an arcade. It doesn't really feel like slime to me and is very liquidy, and it doesn't have a smell and no charms. It's so sad. Can you please try to fix it? Yes, I can. She also drew a little picture of Anna and I, which I love. Thank you for drawing us. This will be put up on our fan mail wall in just a second. But first, let's check out what the arcade slime has going on. Oh my goodness, a little narwhal. He will stay and help me fix the rest of the slimes. Galaxy slime, ambiguous name. That kind of does have a smell. Smells like an amusement park restroom, so maybe not a good one. I feel like this little guy needs a name. This is Borbeert. He's gonna be our slime fixing mascot now. This is like a mixture of a water slime and I don't know, I can barely hold it. I like pick it up and it just falls through my fingers. I'm really curious to see what this slime would be like with jelly pops in it. My hypothesis is that it's not gonna stick to the jelly cubes at all. It's just gonna reject all of them. Yep. They're just all floating on the top. What is this made of? Let's see how it reacts to a scent. Oh, this is a weird one. It's turning into scrambled eggs. No! What is it doing? The only way that we're gonna fix this slime is to completely change the texture of it, which I'm not even sure is possible. So I have 2 more slime textures here to try out. I have a butter slime and a cloud slime. I would like to try a cloud slime because that's the thing that's like the most different from what's going on here. Yeah, part of the problem here might be that this is sadly and heartbreakingly a store-bought slime, which means it wasn't created with household products that are easily fixed with other household products. Please. Come back. There is 0 way that I can fix this. I don't want to let Annabella down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from scratch. I grabbed a couple things to help me along my journey of trying to recreate this slime. So I have a perfect new clear slime and this purple shifting pigment. This is more of like a greenish, bluish, grayish shifting pigment, but this is the closest that I could find, sadly. So hopefully this will come out gorgeous. Now that we have this beautiful color achieved, it's time to add back in that smell that we were trying to go for originally, and also the jelly cubes. This slime isn't really making me think space like the other one did. I kind of more think this is a candy slime. The jelly cubes are thankfully reacting extremely well to this slime, which I love to see it. Let's put it in our Peachybbies container and see what vibe is it gonna tell me that it wants. I think that this is only right if it's truly a candy themed slime. So I'm gonna grab some candy charms. So I have a bunch of different colored balls here that are gonna sort of give off that candy theme. I also got a cookie. The smell of this, it's giving me very sweet candy, but also a little bit of cookie. And I feel like these colors just look very cute together. But I have my final touch, a little, what did I name you? Borbert? Borbert. Borbert? Borbort. Borbert. Borbert, I named him. How can I not remember the name? Borbert on top. And you can barely see him because he just blends in with the slime. Today, we accomplished something amazing. This is what we were starting with. Can you believe that? This is a slime, and this is what we're ending with. Annabella, I really hope that you are proud of me for this because I certainly am. Thank you so much for sending in this slime, and let's see what we have next. For this next package, we're doing something a little bit unconventional because as I was sitting here fixing the last slime, somebody came in and was like, there's a package here, and it says to Aaron. So obviously, the only thing that I could do logically is open it right now for you guys on camera. A letter. Looks like there might be a picture for our wall. There is. That's gonna look so good on the fan mail wall. Hi Peachybbies, I love your videos. I made you a strawberry frappe slime with whipped cream and sprinkles and a charm. I love it when you guys put effort into your slimes that you send us. I'm really excited to fix it. Thank you so much to Aubrey for sending that in. Bracelets for Anna, Aaron, Andrea, Christian, and Dan. That's so sweet of you. The majority of the people on that list are at lunch right now, so don't worry, I will wear them for them. Let's see what's next. An adorable bag of charms. I love that coffee cup. That's so cute. The star of the show, strawberry frappe. This looks like a high quality slime so far. And this looks like the baggie of whipped cream. 1 ounce of whipped cream. That's very specific and I love your attention to detail. First things first, we need to see what's going on with strawberry frappe. It doesn't look bad. It smells very good. It feels like a slime. That's always a plus. My only problem I'm really seeing here is that it's not a lot of slime, which isn't technically a problem because this was the carrier container. But for a Peachybbies slime, it does need to be a little bit more slime. So I guess all I need to do is grab some thick and glossy, maybe some more phloem to just balance it out, and then I'll see how it's looking after that. All right, I grabbed a bunch of thick and glossy and some microfloam. I want to fill this up with the thick and glossy. Now it's time to mix it together. This slime, I can tell, has a very good texture. And you guys might say, why do you add slimes into slimes to fix them as opposed to just adding a bunch of ingredients to fix it that way? My strategy to fixing slimes has always been, if you take a slime and you make a better slime and you mix them together, you can fix the old slimes. Here is my tiny little lid full of phloem. I'm gonna add a bit of it. I think that when I added the thick and glossy, it lost a bit of that super cute color that it had going on. So for the first time in this video somehow, I'm actually adding color to it. Very surprised that I have not had to use color or activator in this video at all so far. You guys have just been sending better and better slimes every week. So I want this to be pink. So I needed to have the ittiest, tiniest tiny little dollop of red in here. I almost feel like this wasn't even a slime that I needed to fix, in all honesty. So if anything, I'm just assembling it for you, which I'm not complaining about. I love assembling slimes. Put it in here. Oh, look at how cute it is. And now for the fun part, we have our whipped cream baggie and our charm sprinkles. Time for the whipped cream. Where did this come from? This is a perfect thick and glossy slime. Aubrey, you are a very good slime chef. This is a little whipped cream. It looks cute. Now it's time for these adorable pearls. To top it all off, a little coffee cup. I love it. It reminds me of like the pink drink at Starbucks, Legally Blonde, or Strawberry Frappe. Either one, working title. Thank you so much, Aubrey, for sending this in. I'm so glad that I got it so last minute, but let's see what our— Wait, stop the video. Corbin Blurt has something to say. He wanted me to take a minute and show you guys this slime. This is BB Narwhal Bubbles, which is available at Peachybbies.com. And if you didn't know, we restock every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with a bunch of new slimes. So if you're in the market for some new exciting slimes, make sure to go check out Peachybbies.com. Okay, let's get back to the video. Our last package of the day is from Olivia. Olivia says, "Hi Peachybbies, thank you so much for the slimes. I love them and they are so high quality. You are my favorite slime shop. Please don't tell anyone, but my favorite worker is Christian. Yeah, woo! Also, could you please fix my slime? Yes, I can fix your slime." Thank you so much, Olivia, for the note. Christian really appreciates it, so that's great. It's a very small amount of slime once again, but this feels so crazy. What is this? Kind of wonder what happens if you mix a butter and a cloud slime together. Let's see. This might be a very nice texture. Wow, it is actually very nice. I feel bad adding so much of the pre-made slime to this because it was such a small amount of slime that it's gonna be like 98% our slime, but your essence is still in here. Olivia did not give me a theme that she wants this slime to be, so I kind of have creative freedom. So I'm gonna use this yellow. This is beautiful. I love a good memory yellow slime. It comes out very cute. So because I sort of feel bad, this doesn't resemble her original slime at all, but the one essence that we're still getting from Olivia's original slime is the smell, which is definitely very strong lemonade smell. And so that is where I'm gonna go for the theming so that this can still feel like I'm actually fixing her slime instead of just adding it to another slime, because that's kind of cop-out. Because there was so little slime for me to fix, I'm gonna do an extra special theme. Everyone say hello to Lemonade Cow. That's right, I'm bringing back Lemonade Cow today. If you guys don't remember or you didn't see it, Lemonade Cow was a theme that I came up with when I was doing the Temu slime. And now, there she is, little cow, and her lemon throne, of course. I think this might be the cutest slime I've made today. Am I crazy for that? Tell me in the comments if I'm crazy for that. Olivia, thank you so much for sending it in, and I hope you're satisfied with how I fixed your slime. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you wanna see me fix more slimes, make sure you, number one, send them to me, and number two, like this video, because if we get to 5,000 likes, I know that's a big goal, but if we get there, I will be making another part of this series. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next week.